Okay, everybody, how about a quick little Friday night update for you? Got a few things going on. One, the sun's going down, if you can't tell. Not sure where Buddy and Jesse went. We're getting rid of the pups. My wife took two up to her parents with her. One of them's going to South Dakota. The other one's up in northwestern Iowa in her hometown. We know everybody that's taken the puppies, so we should be able to keep up on them. The one with the stripe on him that I really liked, that we named him Roscoe, he just left about 5 minutes ago. Went with a girl I used to work with and her husband and their kids. There's Jesse out by the bean field. But yeah, he left. I was kind of sad to see him go. I really liked that guy. Jesse, buddy. Who knows what they're doing, as long as they don't run off. Anyway, that's what's up with the pups. We've only got 2 or 3 left, and I believe they are going to new homes next week sometime. Down here in the shop tonight, got me some ribs in the smoker. Wife and kid went up to her parents for the weekend, so I thought I would eat good this weekend. Anyway, been down here, did a little cleaning up down here. It's a little better than it was. And I flipped the tailgate over. Needs a little more work than I thought. There's a dent there's a pretty good dent right there. And the body line's messed up right there. I think that one's okay. Other than that, just a lot of like rock chips, which I'm not exactly sure how that happened on the back of the tailgate, but that's what they're like. Got a pretty good one right there. There's a dent there. Pretty deep one right there, and just a whole bunch of them. This corner I need to flatten out. Fill that in. That won't really be a big deal. And what I'm wanting to do, you'll see more of this on a video. I don't know if I'm gonna put it up tomorrow. Might be Sunday. I'm not sure. Paint gun. That made it back. Didn't go out to Hawaii this time, made it here in 2 days instead of a week. But I don't know what that was, but anyway. I'm itching to get primer on this thing. I'm half tempted to go ahead and spray the Bronco with primer and do the tailgate later. I don't know. I don't have the base, the grabber blue for the Bronco yet. But I do have primer, and I've been thinking I could spray the Bronco with primer. It's supposed to be pretty warm here the next few days. Could go ahead and get it primered. I could do the tailgate after the fact. Kind of like what's going on with Kyle's truck, although he is doing something. Oh, hi, buddy. He's doing something a little bit different with his tailgate. You'll have to stay tuned for that. But what is up with you, bud? Most active I've seen you all day. But anyway, yeah, it needs a lot more work than I thought, and I'm not sure I have enough body filler to take care of all these issues. I have some, but not very much, so I may have to get more of that. Need to get tape yet to tape off the doors and the hood and all that jazz, and I really need to get a couple more of these, the hood adjusters. I meant when I was out there in Oregon, I think James might have had some of these, but these are they're stuck. They're absolutely frozen in place, and they're not where they need to be. Super cheap off of Amazon, so I might just do that. But anyway, that is what is going on tonight here at the Fox shop. I am wanting to get back on the Bronco. After doing Kyle's truck, I'm really wanting to, I want to get some primer on that thing. I'd like to get painted before harvest starts, but I tell you what, these beans are turning a little faster than I thought. I still think it's going to be a couple of weeks. They got to lose all the leaves and the stems got to turn brown and not green. I think it's going to be at least 2 weeks before we get going. Could be a week and a half. I don't know. We'll see. But Anyway, guys, I'm just down here in the shop. Had the radio on, but I can't play that because of copyright things, and getting kind of hungry. I want to eat my ribs, but yeah, flipped the tailgate over, got to work on it. I cleaned it all off, and there's a lot more that needs to be done on that than I thought. So I asked if James would get a plane ticket and come out here and help me. He seems to be really good with getting those body lines to look right, but I guess I'm gonna have to do this one on my own. So anyway, should have a video coming out. It's either gonna be tomorrow or Sunday. And I know we did that question, you know, we asked all you guys to send in questions for us. I don't know, I kind of got into that on the bigger video that I'm gonna put out, but basically we hit a wall. We went in, ate some steak, hit a wall, didn't happen, but we are going to make it happen. And I kind of explained that in the video that I started earlier today that I'll be putting up, you know, either tomorrow or the next day, Saturday or Sunday. So truck needs a bath. Looks like it got a little bit of drippy on it from somewhere. So anyway, guys, nice night here in central Iowa. Pretty cool. Supposed to heat up the next couple of days. Tomorrow is supposed to be, I think, about 80, 84, 82, 84, and then Sunday it is supposed to be almost 90 degrees. And then looks like lower to middle 80s all next week. So we have some warm temperatures coming up here, plenty of time to get some paint on the Bronco, which I really do want to do. I've kind of been re-energized going out there and doing Kyle's truck. I'm wanting to get the Bronco done. So anyway, Buddy's been doing good. Jesse's been doing good. I'm not sure what she thinks about us giving all of her puppies away, but we just don't need that many dogs around here. So anyway, guys, quick little Friday update for you. And also the die cut stickers and t-shirts and hoodies and all that kind of stuff. If you've been thinking about getting one, now is the time, because we are about ready to shut that down. So if you've been thinking about that, if you've been wanting one, do it. I got to do the same thing. I don't have a sticker yet. I want to get a sticker or 3. I want a t-shirt and I want a hoodie, so I have to order my own yet. And that's that. So anyway, guys, hope you're having a good Friday night. Got the Iowa State football game going on tomorrow, and I am rooting for Iowa State. They made sports gambling legal here in Iowa, but I can't quite figure out how to do that without going to a casino. So I don't know. We'll see what happens there. Anyway, guys, that's it for the Friday night, and full video coming out the next day or two. So hope you're having a good night. We'll catch you later.